Hello friends, welcome to our page Excel stream. Do you know how to count words in Excel? क्या आपको पता है कि हम Excel में words कैसे count कर सकते हैं? If no, अगर नहीं, then this video is for you. Here we go. Equal to length of this function minus length followed by a substitute function put one more bracket plus 1. Here you go. We have 5 words over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you can drag it over here. Isn't it simple? Right? अगर आपको अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया, if let's understand it by one and one, तो हम इसके parts को smaller, इसको parts में break करते हैं. We'll break into parts and understand how we achieved our requirement, which is number of words in a given cell. So इसके अंदर हम दो फंक्शन यूज किए. We have used two function in it. One is length function and another is substitute. Okay. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि ये दो फंक्शन किस लिए यूज होते हैं, what is the purpose of using this function, then the first function is length. हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, we use this function to know how many characters are present in a given cell. कि एक सेल में कितने characters present हैं. Simple है. Use length function and select the text. So here we go. We have five characters over here. We have 9. It count space as well. Okay. For example, we have 4 letters in need, 4 letters in file. So this becomes 8 or plus 1, which becomes 9. Okay. Now another important function which we have used in our count word formula, which is a substitute function. So कैसे करेंगे इसको? फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज द नेम सजेस्ट, जैसे आप नेम से द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूट इज टू रिप्लेस अ गिवन वर्ड विद अ न्यू वर्ड. ओके. सो क्या करता है ये फंक्शन किसी भी एक करेक्टर को या वर्ड को किसी दूसरे करेक्टर के साथ रिप्लेस करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी नीड टू चेंज अ कॉमा, रिप्लेस अ कॉमा विद एंड फंक्शन. ओके. सो कैसे करेंगे? We use equal to substitute. Okay. This. Okay. Text. Now we select the cell reference. Okay. Now what is our old text? It is comma. Okay. And we need to replace it with a and symbol. Function replaces comma with and symbol. Okay. So we use both this formula to get the count of words. Okay. Now again let's break that entire formula which we have used into parts. हम उसको parts में करके देखते हैं कि हमने क्या ट्रिक अपनाई, what trick we followed to get number of words count. Okay. First, what we have done, हमने क्या किया? We simply measure the length of characters present in this cell. Okay. We got this. Then हमने क्या किया? What we have done, we substitute. It's a trick. Okay. हमने क्या किया? जितने भी spaces इस text के अंदर हैं, okay, हमने उसको replace कर दिया blank के साथ. कैसे? What we have done, we have replaced the spaces which is available in text with a blank. कैसे? We given a space in these double quotes, replaced it with blank. We put double inverted commas without any space and we close it. कंटेंट, जो इसका कंटेंट है सेल का, बिकम्स दिस. इसके अंदर कोई भी आपका स्पेस अवेलेबल नहीं है. देन वी अगेन मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ दिस टेक्स्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द लेंथ? 20, बिकॉज वी हैव रिप्लेस्ड द स्पेसेस. राइट. तो इसके अंदर 4 स्पेस थे, इसलिए इसकी लेंथ 4 कैरेक्टर्स से कम हो गई है. बट okay, now then what we have done, we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, we have 5 words. So what we need to do, we need to subtract the our new length with the earlier length. Okay, हमें 24 minus 20 करना पड़ेगा and plus 1 करना पड़ेगा to get one more word, because in the end we do not have any space. So हमने क्या किया, we simply subtracted this and put plus 1. Here you go, we have 5 words. When you drag it, you get your desired. So isn't it simple? It's just a trick of two function, which is length and substitute. Do you want to try it? If yes, mail me or leave your email ID in the comment. And what we have done, we have now we combined all these 4 results into one, all these 3 functions into one. How? Equal to length, okay, length of this minus length of substituted word, which is substituted cell address, substitute cell content, which is okay, then we added plus 1. Here you go. So we got this. So guys, hope you like this video, this trick. Isn't it simple? So अगर आपको ये sample file चाहिए, so just leave your comment and do subscribe my channel and spread the knowledge. Hope you guys like it. Have a good day.